Every system integrator knows the challenge. You've got multiple subsystems, sensors, PLCs, and power monitors, all collecting data and all speaking different protocols. The hard part isn't collecting information, it's making those systems work together. And that's exactly where the WISE-5231 changes everything. Unlike a standard PLC or edge device, the WISE-5231 doesn't need expensive software. Instead, it's a fully web configurable automation controller that lets you build real logic control and data handling directly from your browser. No license fees, no coding, and no headaches. The simplicity alone saves hours of engineering time. But that's only part of the story. Because the WISE-5231 isn't just easier to configure, it's built to unify your entire system. Whether you're designing a new automation network or upgrading an existing one, the WISE-5231 brings sensors, I/O modules, legacy Modbus RTU equipment, and cloud-based platforms together under a single powerful controller. It gives you complete visibility and control from the field to the cloud with zero extra hardware required. And that's where the real advantage begins. At its core, the WISE-5231 runs edge logic, giving it the intelligence to make decisions locally through a PC or SCADA server. It collects I/O data, processes if-then-else rules in real time, and executes actions instantly. This results in faster responses, high reliability, and systems that keep working even when the network doesn't. And for integrators, that means more control, fewer integration layers, and far less time spent troubleshooting after deployment. And because configuration happens right through a web browser, you can test, update, and deploy logic remotely, securely, and without writing a single line of code. Now, where the WISE-5231 truly stands out is in its ability to communicate. It supports nearly every major industrial and IT protocol. Modbus TCP, Modbus RTU, MQTT, SNMP, FTP, CGI, and DDNS. This way, you can connect equipment of any brand or age into one coordinated system. This isn't just protocol conversion, it's a complete system unification. That means you can bridge Modbus RTU serial devices to modern Modbus TCP networks, publish data directly to MQTT brokers for cloud dashboards, send SNMP traps to IT servers, or even trigger secure email alerts through SSL/TLS authentication. In other words, one device connects your operations layer to your IT layer without the need for separate gateways or SCADA licenses. Now on the field side, the WISE-5231 supports up to 32 Modbus RTU slave devices and 16 Modbus TCP slaves, plus additional DCON I/O modules. And with 2 RS-232 ports and 2 RS-485 ports, one of them being isolated, it's ready for whatever combination of field hardware you encounter on site. But power isn't just about communication, it's also about resilience. So unlike other controllers that rely on external systems to handle data retention, the WISE-5231 includes a built-in microSD card which comes standard with 4 GB, but can be expanded up to 32. You can log readings locally, send data automatically via FTP, or publish real-time values through MQTT or SNMP. That means you'll have complete data visibility even if your SCADA or cloud connection goes offline. And because real projects don't happen in perfect environments, the WISE-5231 is designed to handle the realities of the field. It's DIN rail mountable, operates from -25 to +75 degrees Celsius, and runs on 12 to 48 volts DC while consuming just 4.8 watts. It's reliable enough for data centers, durable enough for manufacturing, and efficient enough for remote sites where uptime is everything. Now, something that most system integrators and engineers don't know is that most controllers are only built to solve one problem. But the WISE-5231 solves all of them. Logic control, protocol conversion, data logging, and remote communication, all in one device that you can configure from anywhere. So instead of juggling multiple pieces of hardware or spending weeks programming, you can build smarter, connected automation systems faster, with fewer points of failure and greater confidence in your results. Whether you're integrating a data center, a power management system, or a remote monitoring project, the WISE-5231 gives you something every system integrator needs: a smarter, simpler, and more durable way to automate. Because in the end, the WISE-5231 isn't just a controller, it's a platform designed to make integration easier, deployment faster, and automation smarter. To learn more about how the WISE-5231 can become the brain of your next automation system, you can contact us at sales@icpdas.com, or you can head over to our website at icpdasusa.com, both of which will be in the description below, along with the link to the WISE-5231. Thank you so much for watching this video.